Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Huawei Band to Strava. This easy guide will help you synchronize your fitness data seamlessly. First, make sure your Huawei Band 7 is already paired with the Huawei Health app. Then, open the Huawei Health application on your smartphone. Once it is open, simply navigate to the Me tab, which is usually found at the bottom right of your screen. This is our starting point for a smooth connection. Next, from the Me tab, you will need to select Privacy Management. This section allows you to control how your data is shared. After that, look for and choose Data Sharing and Authorization. This option will present you with various third-party applications you can connect. Finally, locate the Strava icon among the listed applications and tap on it to initiate the connection process. It's a straightforward step. Now, you will be prompted to log into your Strava account. Please enter your credentials carefully to ensure a secure connection. After logging in, you will need to grant Huawei Health the necessary permissions to share your fitness data with Strava. This is a crucial step for data transfer. Once permissions are granted, confirm the connection. This action will finalize the integration, allowing your activities to synchronize between the two platforms. Congratulations! Your Huawei Band activities will now automatically sync to your Strava account. After completing a workout, give it a few moments, then check your Strava feed to verify that your data has successfully transferred. For the best experience and to avoid any issues, always ensure both your Huawei Health and Strava applications are updated to their latest versions. Enjoy tracking your progress with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.